Buy 7 things that will ease your way to becoming wealthy. How many things do you buy for yourself and your family every day? Many things have to be purchased for daily needs or other needs. The things we buy sometimes fulfill our basic needs or are luxurious. But have you ever bought something that benefits you in the long run? Have you ever bought something that paved the way for your wealth? Or have you ever owned something that makes you wealthy or more affluent? Let's know about 7 things that will ease your way to becoming wealthy. Effective education. Now almost everyone is educated, but every people are educated only by book learning. But if you want to do amazing things in life and get rich, you need to get the proper education. And if you can buy effective education for yourself, it will bring you blessings in the future. Own your house. The standard of living is costly now, so it isn't easy to manage monthly other expenses after taking a lot of house rent. But buying your own home will give you a place to rest your head in the meantime and a valuable asset for the future. Rental property. When you utilize the finance of the bank to acquire rental properties, you are effectively creating your net worth. Once you rent the properties, use the income to pay off the mortgage. As a result, your properties will gain equity and their market value will increase over time. Elite Club membership. Elite Club membership will demonstrate your strong position in society. You will find there various high-class and knowledgeable people. You get a chance to take these acquaintances will help you in many ways. Online skill courses. The only skills you possess that no one can take away from you, and it won't be wasted either. So in the digital age, various online skill courses exist where you can purchase the course of your choice and enhance your skills further. Books. Nowhere else can you get the education that books can teach you in silence. A few books can change the way you live. Readers and their lessons never get old. Repay debts and loans. You can set aside a portion of your regular income to pay off various past debts and loans. Try to pay off all debts gradually. When you become debt-free, you will be much more mentally refreshed. And if you are mentally refreshed, you can focus on work with new enthusiasm.